Hi and welcome to my kitchen. Today we're making triple chocolate cookie truffles. It's edible cookie dough inside of a chocolate layer with crispy Maria cookies on the inside. So it's creamy, crispy, crunchy, fluffy, like a chocolatier experience. Let's get started. Maria cookies, you could find these in the international section of your supermarkets. I like to use these because they have a nice crunch and keep their texture inside of the truffle. 1 cup of melted butter, 1 cup of cocoa powder, Dutch or Hershey's, your preference, sifting the cocoa powder to get a nice smooth consistency, 1 cup confectioner sugar, sifting the confectioner sugar to get a nice and creamy consistency. Whisk that all together until fully combined. Continue to mix until the butter, cocoa powder, and confectioner sugars all fully combined. At this point, adding about 1/4 cup of Hershey's syrup and combining very well. Before you add the cookies to the mixture, crumb a little small bowl for the toppings. And then in a bain-marie with a double boiler, without the bowl touching the water, simmer eggs, 2 eggs, for about 5 minutes, whisking vigorously until they do not cook, they stay warm, and you prepare them for edible cookie dough. They use this method in tiramisu. Add a little bit of vanilla for flavor and fragrance, and add the bain-maried eggs to the chocolate mixture and fold to combine. So it's a very popular way to use eggs in any type of cooking that is a no-bake cooking method. So safe to eat, absolutely delicious. It gives it a chocolatier type of creaminess that you're not going to get without it. But you can't absolutely omit it if you're not into it. Go ahead and pour the cookies into the chocolate mixture. Mix to combine. And then place it in the refrigerator to chill for about 30 minutes before you work into rolling your truffle balls. About 1 tablespoon size balls. I like to scoop those up. Definitely use gloves, as you see here. Messy, but fun, but messy. So roll those up, and they're not going to be absolutely perfect balls because there's cookies inside, but once you roll them into the melted chocolate and kind of create your truffle, they'll set. Place them on a small sheet that could fit into your refrigerator to set again for another 30 minutes to chill. In a double boiler or a microwave, melt milk chocolate, and I like the balance that the milk chocolate gives the flavor of that rich, indulgent interior. Make sure to roll each truffle into the chocolate enough to coat and remove any of the excess. Once you've done that and you've laid it on the tray, go ahead and top off with the cookie crumble and chill in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes to set. These can be served at room temperature or chilled. And this recipe comes from my mom. Let me explain to you in just a minute. But look how good it is here once you slice into it. Crunchy on the outside, creamy on the outside. You get this surprise crispy cookie in the center. Yeah, I'm really excited to be able to share this recipe that comes from my mom. She called it Chocomax. She made it every year during the holidays. She rolled it into a fridge log and sliced it up. And I'm glad to be able to have shared it with you. Let me know how it turns out in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye for now.